Welcome back, guys, with another video. I'm on top of the damn train. This is crazy, but this is gonna be a 4-minute video. Last video, right? I was with my friends, but now I'm with my cousin.
Hey.
But the last one that we did, it was like a dirt bike path over there. Dude, when you move, it feels like the train is moving, huh? Dude, that feels like the damn train is moving. Yo, I'm serious. If you ever get on a damn train, run on the top.
Should we jump across? Over there? You first.
I'm jumping. I got the hops. Oh shoot. Let's go. Last one and then we're going back. Okay. Let's go back because I don't want to get caught. Come on. Whoa, shit.
You don't have to jump.
But it's scary. Feels like the train is moving. Over there. Hell no. Hell no.
Which other train would you get on?
Wait, it's over there. It's right here. Yeah. Climbed on the 4th one. There's our ripstick. So yeah, guys, that's really fun, but scary. Like when you jump. What if I had a dirt bike? I'd be riding that up there. Yo. I got the hops. Imagine that shit collapsed it.
I would run and jumped over there to that one. Then look at this shit. Damn.
I'm gonna take a picture after this crap. This is a good view up here. Dude, from the bottom, it doesn't look that high, but when you come...
Here, grab my phone. Take a picture of me like this.
Let's go. Oh, shit. Not good. So...
Got it.
Okay, we're done with that. So, dude, watch out for the security guards or something. There's cameras that we pass, and watch out for the cops.
There's good foods.
Okay, foods. But yeah,
Dude,
hope you all liked the video.
Scott, here, put your hands right here.
And comment if you got on the train, on top of it, if it's scary or not. Well, it's not that scary, but you know, it's tight. So, hope y'all subscribe, and peace. Not 4-minute video too.